everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon so that whenever I post, you get a notification. This video, as you must have read from the title, it's all about how I got vaccinated, how I got my first Covishield dose. I thought why not vlog and record everything so that each one of you can get to know about my experience and everything, that how it goes. So I live in Delhi NCR. On Cowin app you have to book the slots by checking out the availability, जो कि हमेशा ही full दिखाता है. Even today morning also, till today afternoon actually, पूरा ही slots full दिखा रहा था. But then somehow my friend Radhika booked an appointment for me in Max Vishali sector 1 or 3, I don't exactly remember. So it's a paid vaccine dose due on 21st of May, and today it's 20th. Right now it's 9:40 p.m. and I've got my slot booked finally. It's the morning slot of 10 to 11 a.m. I'll sleep early today because I have to reach there early and I have to get up early tomorrow. So I'll see you all tomorrow and keep you guys updated. 8:30 right now and I was supposed to sleep early to get up early, but I slept around 1:15 and woke up at 7:30. I just got ready wearing a t-shirt so that it's really very easy and comfortable to get the vaccine injected. And now I'll just pack my bag and show you all what all you must carry while going for the vaccine. And one more thing, if you are also suffering from seeing all these things again and again, that the slots are always booked on the COVID app, then you can get yourself added in some Paytm and Telegram groups. They are circulating the messages on the spot when the slots are getting open, and it would be easy for all of you to book your slots from there. Let's see what all I'm packing now. I am firstly carrying a hand sanitizer, which is a must whenever you are going. Even if you're going in a government school or anything, or in a hospital, you should always have a sanitizer. Then a pen for filling up the forms and everything, because it's really very risky these days to get in contact with other people. Your Aadhaar, no, I'm not gonna show you my picture. Aadhaar, and then a card for the payment because I'm getting a paid vaccination done, and the price there is 900, so I'm carrying cash exactly 900 also, so as to avoid any contact with them. And that's all I think what all I'm gonna take in with me. I'm full ready to go now, and double masking is always very important. It's raining so badly right now, and for your information, I'm also carrying 2 face shields with me to be extra sure. One for me, one for my dad. Done with my first dose now, and now I'm finally way back to home. The doctor told to wait for 15 to 20 minutes under observation and take medicine if fever arises afterwards. But right now I'm feeling perfectly fine, and let's see what happens next. It's 1:15 right now. I just came out of the shower and now I'll have my breakfast, and precautionally I have taken medicine. I am not experiencing any symptoms so far, just a little bit heaviness in my left arm, but that's also very normal right now. Let's see how it goes. I'm planning to take a full 2-day rest because I have been told that by many of my friends who have got vaccinated recently. Talking about the arrangements made by the hospital, it was very average, I would say, because there were no proper sitting arrangements and the billing counter was so much crowded. My token number was 46 and they had only 2 lines for billing and verification, and a lot of people were there, around 130 or I think 150, but no sitting arrangement was there. But once I got done with the billing and all, I think it took me around 1 or 1.5 hours for the billing, and after that within 5 minutes I got vaccinated because the room was empty, only one patient was there. So just the moment she came out, I got vaccinated. It's 8:30 right now in the evening and no side effects as of now. Touch wood, fingers crossed. I'm hoping for the best, and I'll vlog this for 2 days so that if any of the side effects come, then I have that footage. So let's see. I'll now just go to bed after eating my dinner. I woke up pretty early today, like 7:30 in the morning. So most probably I'll sleep early today. I'll keep you all updated for the next day too. Good night. It's 2 p.m. right now, and last night was pretty okayish for me. I experienced literally the worst shivering at 5 a.m. and then at 7:30 I had a really high temperature, so I took medicine, and so I ate something and then I took my medicine and I slept for good 2 hours. I woke up at 10, had a little bit of heaviness in my arm, and yeah, that's all what I'm experiencing for the past 2 days. I am having a really bad back pain right now. I cannot even sit straight for 5 minutes, and I think I'll end this vlog here only because I'm not experiencing a whole body pain as such right now, and only the first 2 days are of the maximum symptoms. So I have told everything about my side effects, and I hope my previous clips made sense. And talking about the overall facility at Max, it was pretty okay. They didn't have a great sitting arrangement or waiting arrangement for the candidates. Some people were waiting at the reception area, some were waiting at the entrance, and the guard was calling out the token numbers. But the vaccination process was very smooth. Billing was the major issue, as I had to wait for like 1.5 hour for the billing, and right after the billing I got vaccinated within 5 minutes, so it was very smooth. And if you are also planning to get vaccinated, then please keep a check on the different Paytm and Telegram groups, as the Cowin app always shows that the slots are full. Be very active and book your slots as soon as possible. And I'm gonna take rest for the next 2 days. And that's all for this video. I hope you liked it and found it informative. And if you liked it, then please let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.